firstly batting in the middle order, late middle order, number 6 and 7.
Oh, this one's hit away in the air. Great effort at third man. It's for 4.
This is not the line when a batter is in as good a form as Minhas is on the pads, and he's just clipped away very stylishly. Yeah, he's a good timer of the ball, and there's an example of it. Just a little flick takes it over the fielder at square leg.
Slashed away, but this will be 4. There was width on offer, and Samir Minhas gets his second boundary in this over. In the air, the third man there has gone for 6. I wonder if he spotted the ball. The sun coming straight in his eyes. Henel Patel was struggling there, and that's gone for 6.
Yeah, slashed it, and Indians would have hoped that it's an easy catch for the fielder, Patel down there, and he was unable to judge it at all.
Replay that again and again. That is sensational stuff. That is beauty. Just the way he hits it. Reminds me of Saeed Anwar. He used to hit them. He used to milk them. Just like that. Great hands. Quick hands. Great placement. Yeah, the coach liked it. No wonder. Academy. It's gone towards square leg. Oh! But not to be. It's Pakistan's morning so far. Minhas runs just the way he does it. Right on top of it, playing it right in front of him and placing it.
We'll go down to the boundary for 4.
I can tell you this is not looking good for India. Chauhan, who's looked very impressive, he's found nothing from the surface. He's gone round the wicket, the usual angle he bowls. And he's done it brilliantly because he pushed the fielder back to backward square leg with that slog.
On the last ball, he didn't middle it, so the heart would have been in his mouth, and plenty of hearts in their mouth in the dugout as well.
Pulled away. There is a fielder there. They will get a couple, to say the least.
He's been brilliant throughout this tournament. 99 of 70 he is. Inside the 29th over. So almost half the inning remains.
Targeted our cameraman. Look at that. Good connection, clean connection.
And Fadai, he didn't get it from the middle of the bat.
And they just keep capitalizing on the loose ball. That was there to be hit.
Putting it way behind the stumps, but still not getting it right. Towards the legs up, you're always asking for trouble.
100.
He's been brilliant throughout the inning, from the very first one. Yeah, the easiest.
Yeah, well, he uses his feet. Again, this is in the air. Just chipped it. And that is good enough to clear the boundary. Another 6 off the bat of Samir Minhas.
Everything this young man is touching is turning into gold. Fantastic flick shot. That's not where he meant to be, but still, the sort of form he is in. Flying sixes. It's going everywhere.
Yeah, too easy to the pads. And it's going to be an interesting contest, I tell you.
They've done a great job. Wide open focus, 100% clarity in mind, perfection in skill, excellent execution, great placement, straight, great result.
Pace. Key point, Ali. Comes down the track, plays it beautifully. Inside out will just be 1.
I'll tell you what, it's an outstanding shot because just look at the length. He's picking extra cover. Yeah, look at that. High elbow. Getting the elevation. Look at where he pitches. Yeah, it's a back foot punch and he's playing it off the front foot. Tells you that he's very much in control.
Tries it again, just falls short. Wow. Just wow. Some shots don't need words. You just need to see them and appreciate them.
Very, very manageable. Bounced a bit, but lovely execution. Very much in control, picking his spots and just planting it wherever he likes it.
Where's the effort ball?
Was to try and
Again towards the fielder. Directed, it could be Cartons. If that, he'll get that single.
coming into this game under pressure. It's an India-Pakistan game, so there's added pressure. And you come in and play an innings like this. He's used the sweep shot very effectively against the off-spinner. And he's got maximum results. Outstanding knock. It's a special knock.
And just the character that he's shown. Just the character that he's shown throughout. Remember, he came in during ball 1. From there on, to just stay in the middle. Sameer Minhas features twice already. Very rattled.
Yeah, he looks rattled because if you look at the lengths he bowled, every time he pitched up, Minhas went over the top, and then all he did was drag his length, and the mistake was that he gave him width with no fielders behind point on the offside. So he is rattled. He's already conceded 16 runs in the over, and this pair is making up for lost 302 for 4.